Welcome. If you're looking to stop your phone from vibrating every time someone accepts your follow request on Instagram, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the updated steps to disable vibration for accepted follow request notifications, so you can keep your phone quiet and your notifications under control. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and head straight to your device's settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for your apps and notifications. Next, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps installed on your phone. Find and select Instagram from the list. Once you're on the Instagram app info page, tap on Notifications. This section lets you customize exactly how Instagram notifies you, from sounds to vibrations and more. Now, tap on Notification Categories. This will open up a detailed list of all the different types of notifications Instagram can send you, each with its own settings. Scroll down until you see the option for accepted follow requests. Tap on this option to open its specific notification settings. Here, you'll see a toggle labeled Vibrate. Simply switch this off. By toggling off the Vibrate option, your phone will no longer buzz when someone accepts your follow request on Instagram. And that's it. With just a few quick steps, you've turned off vibration for accepted follow request notifications. Now, you'll still get notified if you want, but your phone will stay silent and distraction-free. If you ever want to reverse this change, just follow these steps again and turn the Vibrate toggle back on. Thanks for watching. For more easy tech tips and updates, don't forget to check out our other guides. Enjoy a quieter, more focused Instagram experience.